Good evening, everyone. How is everyone doing tonight? I'm gonna do a quick stream today, and we're gonna work on our Google Search Console accounts and our Google Analytics as well. And also we're gonna look at our categories a little bit more, and we're gonna test some new Shopify themes as well. So let's dive in. First, I'm gonna connect Google Search Console account to my domain. I'm gonna add the domain name here, and then I'm gonna have to go to GoDaddy and verify the domain there, so that we can confirm that the domain is actually in my control. Let me see. And that should be enough for the Google Search Console connection. And I'm gonna do the same for my other store as well. Just gonna wait a little bit if this works. Let's try and refresh. I'm gonna try it again. All right, that is now verified. I'm gonna open the dashboard, and there's no data because we just connected it now. And let's see about the other store as well. I'm gonna connect that to Google Search Console as well. I'm gonna do the same connection with GoDaddy like this. Gonna log into GoDaddy again and connect the domains. That should work now. Let's see. Sometimes it takes a little while. Let's refresh. All right, it's done. Next, I'm gonna install the Google Analytics on our Shopify stores. So let's log into Analytics and we're gonna add a new website from the settings. I'm gonna click create an account, and I'm gonna name it MCRW Fashion. I'm gonna accept all the terms. I'm gonna put my time zone here, if I can find it. I'm gonna do euros, I think. I'm gonna check lead generation and e-commerce and brand awareness, basically everything. And I'm gonna click create and accept terms, and then I should get the code for the Shopify store. I'm gonna create a stream here, and this is what we need, this code. And we can choose Shopify here, and here's the instructions how to add the pixel to my Shopify. So basically I'm gonna log in and go to preferences, and there should be a Google Analytics account section there. Let's see. Let's go to Shopify, and let's see. I'm gonna stop the screen share for a minute while I log in to Shopify again. Okay. From preferences, I can find Google Analytics, and I'm gonna add the code that I got from here, and I'm gonna add it. First I'm gonna install in Google, and then I'm gonna add the code. by connecting here. Okay, I didn't even need to add the code because it's already here. Let's click connect, and now we should be able to see all the visitors in our analytics. So if we go back to analytics, we can check the, let's go back to analytics and choose the right website. If we go to explore or see in real time, we should be able to see if we go to the website. Let's see, it should show up here shortly. It might take a little while. All right, now we can see that we have one visitor on the website. We can see that which page we're on. So that's it for this store. Now we can also connect the other store to Google Analytics as well. Let's see. And Google Analytics 4 is a little bit different than before, so you're gonna have to play around with it a little bit to get any good information from it. So we should create a custom report on that at some point. But first I'm gonna connect this other store as well, create a new account, and let's call it this. Next, choose the currency and the size of the company. Choose all of these and click create. I'm gonna accept the terms, and I'm gonna add the website stream here again. I'm gonna create the stream, and now I can go to Shopify again and go to online store preferences and set up Google from Google Analytics. Now I'm gonna install the app, and we should be good to go. Connect here, yes, allow, and now it's connected. So that's it for Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So those are now set up. And next up, I'm gonna show what I'm gonna do with the team. At first, I thought I was gonna just use the default team of Dawn, but I think I'm gonna use this Essence team template instead. It's like this. Obviously, we're gonna add our products here. This is the preview, and we're gonna add some nice banner here, and some other banner here, and some product here, and some blog posts here, and the product pages are gonna look like let's see if I can show you the product pages. So they are gonna look like this. So super clean and quite easy to use. So it's gonna be, I think it's gonna improve our conversion rates. So I'm gonna install that team, and also I will keep count of everything that I spent money on during this experiment. So far I've spent €1 on Shopify because of the first month is cheaper than usual, and $20 on logo design on both stores. And this is gonna add about 232 to our costs. So I'm gonna add those here, and I'm gonna keep count of the costs and the sold products as well, so we can keep count which of the stores and does better over the 90-day period. And also I'm gonna put a template here and the date, and I'm gonna approve this. Let's see. I also got back the logos from the designer. I can show you those as well. I'm not completely satisfied with the results yet, but I think I'm gonna just go with those, and we can work on the logos later if we want to make some changes. I think I'm gonna go with what we have right now. All right, I'm gonna publish the Essence theme that I purchased just now, and let's see how it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna add some featured products here and some collections here and a banner here. I think I might try that. What happens with if I try to create a banner with ChatGPT as well? That could be interesting to try. So wouldn't have to spend too much money on designers. Let's edit default theme content from here. We can add our social links here. I know these are texts. Yeah, not gonna change those, but we're gonna customize from here. We can add some featured products here. Let's see. Select products. I'm gonna select some of these just to see how it works. Let's select those and save. Those should show up here. No, they don't yet. I think I have to publish it again. Let's see. Okay. Now I can see them. I think this is a really good theme to work on. I'm gonna do the same for the other store as well. Let's see. Explore. I think it was Essence. Yeah. Try theme. I'm gonna click buy here. Then I can enable it. You can edit the theme without buying it, but you cannot enable it. So I'm just gonna skip that one step. I'm gonna publish this as well and start customizing. It takes a little while to download it first. So let's customize the other store first. For this image, we could probably let's try a little bit of ChatGPT if we could get something that we could work with. Let's log into ChatGPT. I don't remember the URL. I'm gonna have to work a little bit on the prompt to get a image that is the correct dimensions, and it still might not work, but let's try. I think I'm gonna keep the stream short today because I've not had any dinner yet, so getting a little bit hungry. That's not a good thing. Let's try create a hero image for a fashion store. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. And while that's working, let's go to the other store and publish the theme and click customize. I'm gonna add some featured products as well. Something a little bit different here. Gonna save that. Go back to the other store. That's not gonna work. I think I'm gonna ask for something different. Create a white background image featuring stylish woman. This is gonna be a little bit hard with just ChatGPT. I think we could also explore if there's a custom GPT here that could help with the banner creation. We also need some banner here and maybe here as well. This could work. I'm gonna use this as a placeholder for now. Let's see. Select image. Yeah, it's not the best, but it will do for now. And we can also add a title here, something like this. Shop now for the button. I'm gonna go to all collections page from this link. I think I'm gonna remove this other slide. I think we don't need 2 slides at the moment. We can just do with this one. And I'm gonna create a better hero image here, but I'm gonna go with this for now. I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create something similar for the other store. We also need to create those collections, so we only have the all products collection at the moment, so we need to add another collection for let's add one for clothing, another for dresses, and one for lingerie, and another for like beachwear. I need to be specific with ChatGPT. I got a message from my friend saying that the image has been a little bit crispy. I don't know if it's X or if it's other streaming platforms as well, because I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube and Facebook as well. But I'll look into that later. I'm gonna ask for something a little bit less cartoonish. I think I'm gonna, while that's working, I think I'm gonna create those collection pages for the products. So I'm gonna add collection of clothing. I'm just gonna add this now and gonna add the descriptions a little bit later. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try to manually, automatically add all my products. I'm gonna try to add, with this condition, it should add all the products with the price that it of greater than €1. So that should add all the products I have in the store. Let's try. Yeah, I think it's added all of them for this clothing collection. And for dresses, I'm gonna do something similar. I'm gonna put any condition here contains dress, or product tag is equal to, let's see what we have here. Yeah, I think if I put product title contains dress, we should get almost everything. Also, we could add I think that's enough. Let's do it like this and save. Yeah. While we are at it, we should update our menu with the navigation. So we're gonna go to navigation and main menu and add this clothing collection to the main menu like this. Remove test, remove catalog, and we can also add dresses, collections, dresses. That way we can have them all in the main menu until we have a little bit more. Okay. Let's see what ChatGPT came up with. That's not good. Let's try again. Back to the collections. I'm gonna add lingerie as well. Collections, create collection. For automation, that's a little bit harder because there's so many different types and names. So I'm gonna do something like this. Also, I'm gonna add some tags here that these could work as well. Just need to add a few different product title contains filters to try and add all the different types of items. I'm gonna go with this for now, and I can update it as I go. Yes, that's it. 18 products here. Let's see what other products we have, so we can create some more swimsuits. Yeah, I'm gonna add swim wear and gonna put I'm gonna add swimsuits instead and put bikini swimsuit and contains product tag is let's see what we have here. Swimming costumes, swimsuit bottoms. Yeah, well, that's basically the collection creation. We should optimize the descriptions and meta elements as well, but for that we're going to need to do a little bit of research first. Also, I'm going to create a collection for shirts. I'm just going to put product title contains shirt. That should catch most of them at least. Also, I'm gonna add a blouse. That's also one. Save. And I'm gonna do the same collections for the other store as well. This is okay for the hero image on the other store, I think. I'm gonna add it here. Add images. I should have probably named this image a little bit better, so it would work for the SEO as well. But this is not a good file name for the image. But this is not the final image that we're going to use. But for the final image, we should add some keywords to the file name as well when we add the image here. Also, we should add the alt text as well. I'm gonna add something here. We could add like a beautiful fashion, beautiful European fashion, dresses, shirts, and swimwear. That could be a good alt text for this front page image. Also, We can change the URL here. So I'm gonna do that as well. I don't know if we can. Maybe I need to add dashes in between the words. I don't know. Let's see. Well, I'll try again later. I'm gonna also change the tagline here. Beautiful fashion, European clothing for female, for women. Let's go with that. Shop now. Gonna go to all collections. Okay, and I'm gonna remove the other. Damn it. I accidentally removed the whole thing. I don't know if why I cannot undo it. Apparently I cannot undo the removal. I'm gonna try and leave the page without saving. And try to customize again. Yeah, that works. Okay, I'm gonna save this now. Also, I lost the featured products here. I'm gonna add something again. Okay. I'm gonna save that and go back to the other store. And see what collections we have here. I'm gonna try and do the same for the other store as well, so that we have all the same building blocks on both of the stores. Gonna go back to the other store and start adding those collections. Create collection, clothing, automated, price is greater than 1, save. Back to collections and add dresses, automated, any condition, product title contains dress. Let's go with that. And let's create another one for shirts, automated, any condition, product title contains shirt or blouse. Gonna save that. And also gonna add swimsuits here, bikini, swimsuit. That's enough for now. And lingerie. I don't remember if we had something else as well. No, that's it. So I think that's a pretty good starting point for the collections. I also need to add them to the main menu. Let's go to navigation, main menu. Let's add dresses, collections. Can I remove the catalog? Because we don't need that. Can I add shirts? And swimsuits. And lingerie. Yeah, and I think that's it for now. Let's save and see what we have here. So we have all the, I'm gonna rearrange this a little bit. Save menu. So now we have all the main categories here, or collections here, and we can see that we have 265 dresses, 138 shirts, 90 lingerie. That's gonna get me banned on Twitch for sure. Yeah. And for, I think the product page is already quite good. I don't need to add much more here. It would be better if we had the sizes starting from small to extra large. I don't know why they're not in order yet, but I think I can fix that as well. But I think it's starting to look okay already. Just need to add some other banners here and add some more products and add some info about the shipping and some other things as well. I also have a question on X about the backlinks. It's in Finnish. Let's see. It's about using GPT for the backlinks. They're asking about creating a tool and contacting companies if they wanted to use the tool for free, and there would be a small backlink on the tool that's linking to this guy's website, and he's asking if it's a good idea to do that, or what tips do I have for backlink building in Finland. Well, basically, the backlink building in Finland is a little bit hard if you want to do it on Finnish websites. So basically, I've been doing some English language websites for the backlinks. It doesn't make much of a difference. If the website is otherwise relevant, you can build backlinks on English websites as well. And if those websites don't want to link to your Finnish content, you can create some content in English on your website. So that works quite well, in my opinion. But for Finnish websites, if you want to get some backlinks on those, I think you should try to contact some bigger websites. But then you're gonna have to open your wallet. It's not that easy to get backlinks for Finnish sites, in my opinion, because not a lot of people are doing blogging, for example, in Finland. So it's hard to get any blog backlinks. A couple of years ago, they used to do a lot more of blogging, but many of those bloggers have moved to Instagram since then. So it's not that easy. But I've done well with those English language backlinks. So that's that. And I think I'm gonna stop the stream for tonight, since I'm gonna have the dinner. I haven't had any yet, and it's already 11:30 in Finland. So thank you for joining, and thank you for the comment, Jerko. And if you want some other advice, please DM me, and let's see if I can give you some further advice as well. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.